Alright. Yep, it's me again. Um, so, as you recall from last episode, I bought a new lawnmower. Well, my first lawnmower. And a brand new truck. No, I have not had any issues with the new truck yet. I just hope I never do. But anyway, put a little corn harvesting here. And the yield is a little bit terrible. I mean, the yield of this corn is not good at all. But yields suck, but I don't care, because I guess I've probably shown the truck off already, but here it is, the F-350 truck, Super Duty truck. But here we got the wee little tractor, John Deere X748 4x4 lawnmower. This thing is pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty sick, having this on here. Yeah. I was gonna start hauling sorghum from the bin here into the back here, and yeah, I haven't started yet. Sorghum harvest will start. I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging, but sorghum harvest will start again. Sorghum is our next crop that we will be planting. Yeah. Yields of field 3 are just not pretty. I can't imagine what the other yields are going to be like. I was hoping for like a job for the white 2155 to do, but considering that there isn't really much choices, then yeah, yes. I was hoping for at least a DB12 wagon to go with and haul grain with, but it's the closest to it's the closest thing to an American wagon, unlike the Brent. Yeah, we're gonna take our brand new truck down to the down to the shop to go get the wagon. Ooh, nice interior. We're just not gonna waste any time. Just gonna fly down there in the truck, go grab the wagon, and be right back to the farm. See you guys then. Alright. This hasn't been a very long episode, but I gotta go to bed. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of FS19. See you guys then.